Meaning of goof-off.
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 Goof-off. The term goof-off is a slang phrase that refers to someone who is slacking off or not working as efficiently as they could be. It typically describes someone who is wasting time or being unproductive. This term can also refer to an activity that is seen as a form of time wasting or procrastination. The consequences of goofing off can vary depending on the situation, but it can negatively impact productivity, work performance, and overall success. It is important to strike a balance between work and leisure to maintain a healthy and productive lifestyle.